Welcome back to the channel. Headed back to the field, get that truck, carry it to town. I didn't make it far, my driveway's just right over there. But my header wagon, the tube right there has come out of that. So I'm gonna leave it here and get somebody to help me push it back in later. Hopefully we won't have to pull across these scales too much more this year. Fooling around here. Let's get back to the field. Today, I guess he's feeling better or something, but I'm gonna be trucking, looks like Lawrenceburg all day. Well, it's windy, but we are just about done. He likes about 3 or 4 short passes. And I'm gonna go to town, grab some lunch, and we're gonna move fields. I think that's the plan. We got this field finished, and I'm headed to Lawrenceburg. So, we'll see you then. I just love coming up here at lunchtime. Well, we made it back up here. Well, they must be at lunch or something, because I don't even see nobody around the scale house. May have to set up here, I don't know. Told me I had to get down the sample. Y'all see them dark colored beans? They said that is a particular variety everybody's bringing up here has got them in it. But they're good, there's no dockage on them. So this is what happens when you don't back up far enough. It'll be okay, but they ain't got anything moving down there yet, so it'll be a while for it to all run out. Well, we got the header off, strapped down. We just missed him. He's going to the next field, so I better catch up. Okay, we got moved to a different field, and 2 fields, and the one that 2 small fields, and one we pulled out of the other day left. I planted all the way out there. But if you look, it gets on better. It gets better on out there. There used to be a big one lurking around here. I haven't seen it in a while. A lot more deer damage up there. It's a different story on out in here. There is a type of hemp that you can plant around the edges that I think some of us been trying around here. That is supposed to deter deer. It don't deter them. They eat the hemp instead of the beans. Definitely gonna check in on that. We finally making a pile back there. So I got 3 semis and a dump truck ahead of me. I don't think it's gonna be in and out today. Well, it's not been that big of a wait. Been here maybe 10 minutes, and it's 2's done moved up. But we dumping on the old pit today. I'm gonna turn it over to Dad. I've got a load, and I've got to get to Lawrenceburg with it. So we'll talk to you later. This used to be the scales. It also lifts you up back before they had dumps. They don't use it anymore. Right there's something you don't see every day. That's a factory open station 7130. I don't know how good you can see it, but that's pretty neat. Pretty rare tractor. Well, I'm on the outbound, headed back. I've been up here maybe 20 minutes. It wasn't too bad. So hopefully we can get this loaded, talk to Dad on the phone. He's got a hopper full waiting on me. Well, the sky back there is so pretty, I thought I'd share it with you. I guess we'll fill this truck and this will be it. don't go as fast as I do. He does all right to be 77.